Okay, so 5-4 are inequalities in a triangle. And we are going to look at this top part in class. We're going to start here with the video. So it says draw a right triangle and a non-right triangle. And how is the largest angle measure of each triangle related to the side length? So if we look at angle A, in this first one, angle A is a 90-degree angle, and it is larger than B or C. And then if we look at the side relationships, angle A being the largest angle is across from the largest side. And if we do the same thing here with this next triangle, we have P looks like an obtuse angle, and the other two look like acute angle. So angle P is the largest angle, and it is also across from the largest side. So that's the relationship we're going to look at. What angle measure appears to be the smallest in this triangle? Well, here's the smallest side, so it must be across from the smallest angle. Okay, all right. And then here it says, theorem 5.9 says if two sides of a triangle are not congruent, then the larger angle lies opposite the longer side. All right, so if we look at this triangle here, we have side 12 and side 10. Well, side 12 is across from A, and side 10 is across from angle B. So angle A must be greater than angle B. Now we have 13 is greater than 12. And it's across from angle C. So angle C has to be greater than angle A. So if we put these in order, we would have the measure of angle C is greater than the measure of angle A is greater than the measure of angle B. B must be the smallest angle. C must be the biggest angle. All right, so here, try it. Which angle is the largest? Well, find the largest side. It's got to be across from the largest angle. And then it says, what angle is the smallest? Smallest side across from the smallest angle. The next page, it says, which side is the longest? Well, the first thing I need to do is find K. So find K first. Find angle K. And I can do that by saying 180 minus 62 minus 50 gives me 68 degrees. So this must be 68 degrees. Now, that happens to be the biggest angle, doesn't it? And the biggest angle is across from the biggest side. So LM, side LM, is the biggest side. All right, now you try it, and then come back and see if your answers are right. So if I look, and 180 minus 65 minus 58 gives me 57. So that angle is 57. It's the smallest side. It's got to be across from it's the smallest angle, so it's got to be across from the smallest side. So the shortest side is NP. Angle N is the biggest angle. It's got to be across from the biggest side, OP. Now the rest of this we are going to do in class. So that was it for this video.